Please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos. Okay, so subscribe and like as well. So today we'll be looking at a survey site, a very mature survey site we're looking at today, and the survey site is known as PollPay. Okay, the survey site is known as PollPay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to sign up together. I'm using my Google account to sign up. So on this very survey, you just make a little survey and you'll be paid in current and you'll be paying in BTC, in Bitcoin. Okay, and on this Bitcoin can be withdrawn to any wallet of your choice. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. I'm doing the signing up processes. Make sure you just take your phone, have a network connection, and just type in pollpay.app. Okay, so you can now see it. There's a single survey available here for now, which is 0.35 USD. The next place is, you can see those wallets. You can be able to withdraw your coin or your USDT to. There's a PayPal account, a Litecoin, you can use it, Bitcoin, you can use it, and so on. You can also withdraw it to your Theta USDT wallet, which is the USDT wallet. Okay, so we got the, you can see. So if you want to see anything new, you go to this discovery. Okay, this place is very simple. You see, come to discovery, there's a lot you see here. Okay, and this very amazing website also have a referrals program. Okay, I'm going to drop my referral link at the descriptive section and also at the comment section of this very video. Okay, so that you can sign up using my referral links, and we'll all be good together and be caught up together. Okay, so you see, earn money with your friends. So just refer and you keep earning. Okay, so you can see all it is. You can as well just take up your phone and go through this very site yourself, and you understand it better. Okay, you can see this is my total earning now, my total referral earning, because I just joined and I've not referred anybody. Yeah, that is it. So on starting the survey, you can say just click on start the survey. Okay, the moment your survey is completed, your wallet will be funded immediately. Okay, so you can see the question here. You can see what is your birth date. So the only reason why they're asking this for now is because I have not set up my profile completely. You need to do all that, put in your name, your profile completely, and also your postal code, which is what I'm doing now. Okay, and after filling up this completely, you gain 0.5 cents of USDT. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I think I will stop here. I'm having a little poor network, but just do it yourself. You'll see how exactly it is. Go through the settings, you see everything. Okay, so thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. And before I go, I would like to please ask you again to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, like my videos if you have not done that, and also share my videos. Thank you so much, and may God bless you as you do that. Okay, all right, see you in my next video. Bye.